Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating or selecting a Google Cloud project. This gives you an isolated place for credentials and quotas. Once chosen, enable the Google Drive API from the API library so your project can make Drive requests. Make sure billing is configured if your usage will exceed free quotas, and assign an owner or editor role to your account so you can create credentials and OAuth consents without permission errors. Next, configure the OAuth consent screen to declare the scopes your app needs and provide app information. This prevents scope rejection and informs users. Then create credentials. For end-user apps, generate an OAuth 2.0 client ID. For server-to-server access, create a service account and download its JSON key. Once you download credentials, store them securely, and note your redirect URIs or delegated domains so authentication flows succeed without mismatched URI errors. Finally, test your integration with a quick sample using the official client library or the API's Explorer. This verifies tokens, scopes, and permissions. Once done, implement token refresh logic and secure storage for keys. If calls fail, make sure requested scopes match the consent screen and reauthorize. If authentication errors persist, rotate credentials or recreate the OAuth client. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect returned error messages and confirm redirect URIs and service account domain delegation settings match exactly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.